Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I've got a 12 Hyper Turbo engine. It's a Force 12 I believe, made by the Haobao company in Taiwan. This is one of the engines that was recently in a trade deal, and I want to take a quick look inside because the nice man that sent this to me said you might find it interesting to look inside this engine. So let's find out what he means. Now, before I do anything with this engine, it has a glow plug in it, and it's got really good compression, but as you can see, it's missing the carb, which is fine because I've got another Hyper Force 12 here that I've got other parts for, so this is basically a parts engine. But it's been my experience with engines made in Taiwan over the years that they were, and maybe even still are, on the same level as engines made in Japan. Some really good engines like the old Royals, the original Magnums, were all made in Taiwan, and those were excellent engines. The machining was great, so I expect to see nothing less than pretty much near perfection in this thing. So let's get this head off here real quick. This engine doesn't look like it's got any runtime on it at all. Let's pull this pull starter off here. Oh shit. I don't want the guts of this thing to come out. This is a good pull starter. Oh shit, don't do that. What the hell is going on here? Oh. The whole hex drive shaft came out. I wonder if that's by design or if that is just stuck. I'm not going to mess with that because the last thing I want to do is hose up that pull starter. Oh, okay, so we got other screws holding this back plate in. Oh, they're considerably larger too than those ones just holding. The last Vertex engine I had on my buggy, the same small screws that held the pull starter on were the same ones that actually held the back plate onto the engine. That's why I'm a little surprised that this has got much larger screws holding the back plate on. So this is interesting. Oh, nice. O-ring seal back plate. And what the heck is this? Oh, very interesting. Look at this. This is what connects to the connecting rod. It looks kind of like a little turbine wheel. I wonder what operational purpose that serves, unless it's maybe just better oil distribution. I don't know. Interesting. Let's see if we can pull this sleeve out. Yeah. Pinned sleeve. So that's good, so you can't screw that up. I mean, this engine looks brand new. I mean, look at the inside of that thing. Look at that connecting rod. Machined out here, probably for weight savings. The thing feels brand new. So I don't know if this was an engine that was purchased just to be used for parts or what, but the thing looks darn near new. I think that's as far as I'm going to take it apart because I don't really want to... Oh, no I'm not. I guess that crankshaft will come straight out. Alright, let's take another quick look at these bearings here. Can't tell if it smells like it's been run or not, but this front bearing looks new.
Very nice. I mean,
I don't know. This engine looks like it
very well could be new to me, which is
interesting. So that's a look inside this Hyperforce 12. Actually, I think this said Hyper Turbo. So maybe
that's what they're referring to when they say
this, or maybe it's just some marketing phrase. I don't know. But anyway, I'll put this engine back together, and that concludes this.